Hello and welcome to our video on foods that can help to prevent cancer. While there's no guaranteed way to prevent cancer, research has shown that certain foods can help to reduce the risk of developing the disease. 1. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants and other nutrients that can help to protect against cancer. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables can provide a range of different antioxidants and phytochemicals that can help to prevent cancer. 2. Whole grains. Whole grains are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can help to protect against cancer. Some good sources of whole grains include brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, and oatmeal. 3. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, and kale, are particularly rich in compounds that have been shown to help prevent cancer. These vegetables contain sulforaphane, which has been shown to help reduce the risk of several types of cancer. 4. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants that can help to protect against cancer. Berries also contain compounds that can help to reduce inflammation and promote healthy cell growth. 5. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to help prevent cancer. Drinking green tea regularly has been linked to a reduced risk of several types of cancer. 6. Garlic. Garlic contains compounds that can help to boost the immune system and protect against cancer. Eating garlic regularly has been linked to a reduced risk of several types of cancer. Conclusion. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help to reduce the risk of developing cancer. It's important to remember that a healthy diet is just one part of a comprehensive approach to cancer prevention. Other factors, such as maintaining a healthy weight, exercising regularly, and avoiding tobacco and excessive alcohol consumption, can also help to reduce the risk of cancer. Thanks for watching.